What's up guys, today I will show you how to download PlayStation 3 titles on RPCS3. So first you're gonna go to Vims and click on PlayStation 3. Now just select your game, so I'll be selecting Minecraft for the PlayStation 3. After you found the game you wanna copy, so click on the game, then click on decrypted ISO, then download it. So we gotta wait a while to download it, but meanwhile we can download the IRD folder. So you're gonna copy the serial number, and now in the internet archive you gotta click Control and the plus F, so you're gonna get this window right here. Now you're gonna paste the serial number and you're gonna delete the minus. So now you got the title and you gotta download it. So it's now downloaded. Let me wait. Okay, now when it's downloaded, go to your storage device you're gonna use and then make a folder. For example, I'll type games, and now extract the game. I'll put it into the games folder I just made. Nice. Now when you got the game and the RD file, you gotta go into the PlayStation 3 ISO rebuilder. You're gonna click it and then click the open for the ISO. Now you just select the game. Now the game is reading. You gotta click IRD and use the chosen file. So now it will work because it's for the same version, as you can see, and it's correct. So now you gotta click on build and then build ISO. Now for example I'll put it in this folder. Sadly I can't, so because I already made one, so I'll be making in this. Now when you download it should be right here. I think that it's this. Now you're gonna copy this and then paste it here. After you paste this, you can safely close the window and go to RPCS3. Now click File and Add Games. Now you can simply find the folder with the game. So I then click on this folder inside the game, and voila, now you have the game installed and you can safely run it and it will work. You just need to wait that it will load. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you. Bye.